Welcome to AutoGlide, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews and analysis. Today, we take a detailed look at the 2025 Toyota RAV4, one of the most popular compact SUVs on the market. Known for its reliability, efficiency, and practicality, the latest RAV4 comes with several updates to enhance performance, comfort, and technology. Under the hood, the 2025 RAV4 continues to offer a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 203 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque. It is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. Toyota also offers a hybrid variant with a combination of a 2.5-liter engine and electric motors, producing a total output of approximately 219 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime takes it a step further with an impressive 302 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful RAV4 models ever. All-wheel drive is available across the lineup, ensuring better traction and stability in different driving conditions. Inside, the 2025 RAV4 offers a modern and spacious cabin with premium materials and advanced technology. The infotainment system now features a standard 10.5-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims come with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, providing customizable driving information. Toyota has improved the seating with better cushioning and available ventilated front seats for added comfort. Rear passengers get generous legroom, and the cargo space remains one of the best in its class, with up to 69.8 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded down. On the safety front, Toyota equips the RAV4 with the latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are standard on most trims, ensuring an extra layer of protection. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid models also come with regenerative braking, enhancing efficiency while adding to overall safety. The exterior design of the 2025 RAV4 remains bold and rugged, with a refreshed front grille and updated LED headlights. The Adventure and TRD off-road trims offer a more aggressive look with unique bumpers, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. For those looking for a sportier appearance, the XSE trim features gloss black accents and exclusive 19-inch alloy wheels. The RAV4 Prime stands out with a distinctive front fascia and exclusive color options. Fuel efficiency continues to be a strong point, with the standard gas model achieving around 27 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. The hybrid version improves these numbers to about 41 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway, while the RAV4 Prime offers an all-electric range of approximately 42 miles before switching to hybrid mode. With a starting price of around $29,000, the 2025 RAV4 remains a great value for those seeking a versatile and fuel-efficient SUV. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid models cost more, but provide significant savings in fuel expenses over time. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, an off-road adventure vehicle, or a family-friendly SUV, the RAV4 offers a well-rounded package. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2025 Toyota RAV4. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to AutoGlide for more in-depth car reviews and analysis. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.